Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by confirming prerequisites and opening the path. Check your power and quest log first. Once done, accept the initiating quest or unlock from the vendor, then track it in your journal. Make sure to have exotic shards and target weapon slots free. These are consumed or required during steps. You'll also want to clear weekly milestones that gate progression. Do those early, because they reduce downtime. Start an activity that advances the objective as soon as the quest is active. You now push through the meat of the quest, follow each objective in order, and focus on the precise tasks it names. When you must get precision kills or elemental final blows, equip a matching subclass and weapon, then use modifiers to speed counts. Rotate to activities that award clear progression, nightfalls, crucible matches, or story missions, so you don't waste time on low-value targets. Keep an eye on quest timers and stack consumables when allowed to shave minutes off big tasks. You're at the final step. Complete the last activity, return to the quest giver, and accept the exotic reward. Inspect the roll, then infuse or masterwork to meet your power target. This keeps the weapon useful immediately. If the quest doesn't advance or the exotic fails to appear, log out and back in, check for vendor turn-ins, and verify weekly resets. These fixes resolve most issues. Lastly, if problems persist, record the step that failed to report it accurately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.